them. And the reason I do this is because they really are superstars, like the sports heroes that we watch on TV. So, Pablo, can I have the appropriate music, please? So once again, we scour the world and the planet to find the best teachers for you. We work hard to make sure that we get the world's best educators here at the school. So I would like to introduce the first three. The secondary counselor this year, Miss Lisa Reed. Learning support, Mr. Jake Airy. Secondary librarian, Sarah Wakefield. Grade 7 coming up from the PYP, Miss Jenna Cirillo. The theater teacher, Miss Kristen Hart. Head of department, Lang Lit, Asla Topper. English language acquisition teacher from Italy, Giuseppe Medeo. Korean Lang Lit, Miss Claire Park. French language acquisition teacher, Miss Christina Palpowski.